the Bama-Georgia conundrum in front of them at 1 and 2.
Yeah.
Tim, you were the one who agreed with the College Football Playoff Committee to have Georgia number 1 over Bama. What merits, again, give them that nod over Nick Saban's squad?
They won at Notre Dame, and that's it. That's their quality win. When I look at Alabama, yes, you thought that Florida State win was going to be a resounding win because, like we said, we believed that Florida State was going to compete for a national championship. How wrong we were, because Florida State is miserable this year. I mean, B-Mac, right now, you are old as dirt. You can get back on the field right now and start for them.
I'm not old as dirt.
So I think Georgia's resume, because that win in South Bend, reflects so well. This is what resumes do. When you beat a team, then, ironically enough, you want that team to go out there and perform at the highest level. But Alabama, like I said, if they played against each other, they'd be better than a touchdown favorite in this individual matchup. So we'll be tired of talking about it at some point, and they will match up against one another.
Oh, well, that's what we expect in the SEC title game, Alabama and Georgia. And we got this question, B-Mac, from Ryan Knight on Facebook. He says the Dogs and Tide could clash in the SEC championship game. Predict that game as of this point in the season. Who do you think would win that game, Bama or Georgia?
Bama, especially both teams are undefeated.
Give me a score.
UGA, I can easily see a 26-17 ball game, 26-14 ball game. But UGA, they have a lot in front of them going forward. They have to travel to Auburn. They have to finish out their schedule and then get to an SEC championship game. So I can easily see Alabama taking care of their business against Georgia because right now, Jake from State Farm has played pretty good football, but can he put up enough points with his arm against a Nick Saban-led defense? Because we know one thing about Nick Saban when it comes to defense. They don't have issues stopping the run. And right now, that has been the strong suit for Georgia, being able to rely on a quality run game with Michelle and Chubb in the backfield. But what happens if they're having issues running the football? Can your young freshman make plays with his arms? We have yet to see that, but he's doing enough for them to win ball games, and that's all they need right now.